Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to resize frame with content in Figma. First, head over to your Figma design, and in here, if you click on your frame and then go ahead and drag its sides, you can see that the content is not responding with the frame. So what you need to do is to highlight them both and right-click and frame selection. Now, click on this arrow button or mouse button. Click on the drop down and choose on scale. After that, select the frame again. And when you resize it, you can now see that the content comes with the frame. And that's just basically it. You can now resize your frame with your content. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.